أكاديمية القادة الدولية International Leaders Academy.
Hello everyone, today we will do the writing preparation in your workbook page 88 and we will do page 89 too. On page 88 we have some objects that you should name them. You can use your dictionary or whatever you want. You can refer to the text. For example, name the objects, check in your dictionary. What can you see in the first picture? These are gloves, but they are not normal gloves. They are disposable gloves. This means that you can use them only once. So we have here disposable gloves. And the second picture, of course, سيارة إسعاف, ambulance, بنسميها ambulance. Of course, here it's a watch. watch هي ساعة اليد اللي بنلبسها في ايدنا بنسميها watch. And the last thing is ring, خاتم. Number 2, read the sentences, underline the sentences that are instructions. If you want to make an instruction, of course you should start with the verb. As we told you before, if you want to make an instruction, تعطي تعليمات, لازم نبدأ بالفعل. ممنوع أنا أعطي instruction من دون ما أنا أبلش بالفعل. لأنه instructions like imperatives and commands, يعني زي الأمر. لهيك إحنا instruction لازم تبلش بالفعل. Like for example, do your homework. Don't sit down here. For example, open the door, open the window, close your book. Hi, أمثلة, examples على instructions. Let's do here this question. So you should underline them. You can use your highlighters and color only the instructions. Number 1, you should call an ambulance if it's needed. أكيد ما فيها instruction. Do you know where the nearest hospital is? It's a question. شايفين هون عندنا علامة سؤال question mark, فأكيد هاي question مو instruction. Number 3, write your name on your copybook. أكيد لأنها بلشت بverb وطبعا عم بحكي لي instruction, عم بيعطيني تعليمات. Don't run in the corridors. Of course كمان عندي هون فيها instruction. Don't run, عم بيعطي تعليمات. You must do your homework at the weekend. هون أنا ما أعطت تعليمات. I'm here giving you an advice for example, بس ما فيها instruction ولا بلشت بالفعل. This is a really good game. As you see here we have an exclamation mark, so of course it's not an instruction. We will leave at 4 o'clock. Here they are giving us normal information. And number 8, do your work quickly. So do your work. أكيد عندي هون instruction. So we have in this question 3 instructions اللي هم number 3, 4 and 8. Now let's move to question number 3, the last question here in this page. You should give instructions. These people are giving instructions. Write the instruction. يعني بدنا إحنا نكتب تعليمات. The first one. We have a boy as you see, and there is a woman or a girl. She is making something in her hand. يعني come here. Come here. At the end of the instruction, you should put a full stop. So تعال, عم تحكي له, عم تأشر له. On the second picture, we have a policeman, and the policeman is making a sign in his hand for the car. So, what is he saying for the car? What is this sign? Of course, he's saying stop. And you should put a full stop. Here in the third picture, here is a man and here is a boy. And the man is saying something to the boy. and he is holding here something in his hand, and here is the door. So he's saying for the boy, for example, close the door. Very simple. And here the last one, there, for it looks like a teacher maybe, or a girl, for example, and here this child, she is doing something in her hand for the child, and here is a chair. So she's saying for the girl, sit down.
Now let's move to the second page, page 89. On page 89 we have composition practice. You are going to write some instructions. These instructions for how to deal with a burn. So read, if you know what to do when someone is hurt, you can help. How to treat a burn. burn يعني الحروق، يعني إذا حد أصابه حرق لازم نتعلم الخطوات كيف إحنا نعالجه. As you see here at the top, we have a lady, and this lady hurt her hand. She has got a burn by something liquid, a hot liquid. Now what shall we do? You have 8 pictures. Here are the instructions, and you are gonna write one instruction for each picture, so you will end up with 8 instructions. And of course, if you are gonna write an instruction, you should start with the verb. Let's start with the first picture. In picture number 1, you should keep the hand or the burn under running water for 10 minutes, as you see here at the clock here. So you should keep it for 10 minutes. Then let's move to the second picture. Just call the ambulance or the emergency because you need to go to the hospital. And in picture number 3, just lie down because we don't want you to move to make your blood pressure get high. So this is gonna be very bad for your health. And number 4, you are gonna do what you have done again in picture number 1. You should again put the hand under running water for 10 minutes. Then number 5, you should wear disposable gloves. Why disposable gloves? Let's see in picture 6. In picture 6, you should remove all the accessories from the burnt hand. So, what do you mean by accessories? Anything that you wear. For example, here we have the watch, the ring. You should remove them. And why you should wear disposable gloves? Why you are removing them? Because we don't want an infection to happen, adwa, or germs, or anything that can hurt the hand, the burnt hand. Now let's move to picture number 7. In picture number 7, just bandage the hand. You should bandage the hand to protect it. And at the end, just sit and wait until the ambulance arrives. So now we will get 8 instructions. You can write them now here. I have a model answer for you. You can just copy it or you can write your own answers and send them to me. That's it for today. Thank you. I will now put the model answer.